Hi guys, welcome back. So today I want to do something very different just because I've noticed that I have a couple of new subscribers and maybe they just don't know what's going on, who am I, what's my name. But my name is Marilenny and welcome back to my channel. But yeah, I thought today let's do the military spouse tag. I've seen every other military spouse have it, so you know, I was like, let's do it. So that's what we're doing today. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button and the notification button if you want to be reminded of all my videos. And yeah, let's get started. All right, I'm a little nervous because I haven't read them because I don't want to think of them in advance, you know. Sorry, my hair is, I'm not having a good hair day today, so yeah. All right, so I have all of them on my phone right here, so I'm gonna try to answer them as honest as possible. All right, so the first one is how many questions is this? 25. Ay Dios mío. Okay. All right, so the first one says, how did you and your spouse meet? And we actually met at Bible club. He was the vice president of the club, and we went all out one day to mini golf, and I was in his team, and it just clicked since then. I was like, oh my god, hi, how are you? And you know, oh, and then it was like, it was honestly love at first sight. It wasn't easy. It was really difficult and hard. We do have a video talking about it, so I'll try to link it somewhere. How we met, like in like deep. Oh my god, I have so bad heartburn right now. Pregnancy is no joke, y'all. Yeah, that's how we met, and definitely not easy, but definitely worth it because it led us to where we are here. So number 2 says, how old were you when you two met? I believe I was 21 and he was 22. We are the same age, but he's a little bit older by like 5 months, so that's why he was already a year ahead of me, but we were like the same age, to be honest, like 21, 22. How long have you been together? We've been together since, well, we started talking in September of 2014, so we've pretty much been together since then. It's been like what, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, pretty much 6 years, and married, about to be 3. So pretty much dated for 2.5 years, I believe. Something like that. It took us, wait, okay. Let me not, oh my god, I'm saying too much, hold on. So where are you and your spouse originally from? So we lived in New York all our life, but he is from Honduras and I am from the Dominican Republic, of course. And how did you feel about him joining the military? So I've always known that he has wanted to join the military, but we never really talked about it. And one day it was just like, well, he couldn't really join because of like personal family things, you know, he couldn't really join. So once that cleared out, he came one day and he was like, I'm gonna join. And I was like, okay, all right. It was really hard, and we didn't really anticipate to move to like across like another part of the world and everything. Not the world, but like the country. We didn't really think that we were gonna go active. We always thought we were gonna go reserve, but active just seemed like the best choice for us and our life and what we want. So that's why we are living in the base. How did you feel about, let me see. Oh, how did you feel about him joining? Oh, okay. It was very difficult just because it's really hard to leave family, you know, and I wanted for him to do what he loves to do. I didn't want to like, I didn't want him not to do what, you know, he's always wanted to do. So that's why we decided to do it for a couple of years, not for a long time. I wanted to, but I was just really scared, and I still am. So we're just taking it day by day because it's like, it's really not easy, guys. Like, military is not easy. All right, I'm just gonna answer a couple of more just because my camera's dying. So, has your spouse ever been deployed? No, thank Jesus. Hopefully he never gets deployed. Ever been to his promotion ceremony? No, I didn't want to go just because I'm pregnant and I just been having a really bad time with like hormones and stuff like that. So I really didn't want to see his like superiors and like sergeants. Like, I was not ready for that, girl. I was not ready. So, how long have you been a military wife? I only been military wife since like no, I don't know, like December, January. It's been like 4 months, to be honest. We're like super new. Did you marry him before or after he joined? I married him before because we just joined. Let me see. Where did you get married? We got married in New York. We got married in, oh my God, I'm getting so hot. Whew, okay. Oh my God, I'm sweating out. We got married in New York. It was in the church that I first came to when I came to this country, and it was actually like the best, just because it felt great to get married in like the first church that I was always like I grew up in, so it was really special. Did he wear his uniform on his wedding day? No, because we just joined. Where are you and your spouse currently stationed? We are in Fort Bragg, North Carolina. I really like it. I wish we weren't so far from family, but it's actually pretty good. Do you live on base? Yes, I do, and it's awesome. How long were you married when you had to go through your first separation? We were married 2 years. We hit our 2-year mark in May, and he left to boot camp in June and came back in November. That was the longest 4.5 months of my life. Guys, you guys know my videos. I have videos talking about it. I posted videos meanwhile he was gone. It was awful, so it was really bad. Do you think your spouse looks good in uniform? Yes, I love uniform. I love how he looks. I'm just like I absolutely love how he looks in uniform. I think like he looks amazing in my opinion. Do you have a lot of military wife friends? No, it's really hard to make friends. A lot of people are nice, a lot of people are not nice, a lot of people are fake. You'll find all kinds of people here. Overall, everybody's really nice. I have one friend, and she's super nice. Her name is Jessica, and we've been hanging out, and it feels super good to have like a friend here. I only have one friend so far, so wish me luck that I make more friends because I'm always stuck at home. What is the hardest part of the military life? I'm just gonna answer this one because it's like I'm getting hot. And yeah, being pregnant is not fun, y'all. What is the hardest part of the military life? So the hardest part of military is you can't really do a lot of things because you have to ask for permission. You can't leave the state, you can leave the country, you have to ask for leave, you have to wait until they accept it. You can't really buy things like oh, let me buy this flight because it's cheap, because you have to get the okay to leave. It's like I think you can't go more than like 250 miles away, which is crazy because New York is like 450, so it's like we always have to ask and everything. I think that's the hard part, and well, that's the second hard part. The first hard part is never knowing what's gonna happen. You have to live like what's next, what's coming, and I hate living like that, and I think that's the hardest part for me, that like deployment and stuff like that. I'm not looking forward to that. I don't want that to come. Pray for me so that won't happen. But yeah, it's been like the hardest part. Just like always being worried, like what are they gonna do? Are they gonna go out to the field for a week? What are you supposed to do alone when he's gone? Like and now with the baby, so that's the hardest part so far. But overall, we've really been enjoying it. It's an adventure, and I'm really happy that we did it. Because you know, it has a lot of good and bad, so you just gotta do it. It's adult life. But this is all I have for you guys today. I wish I would answer more questions, but I gotta go eat and I gotta go lay down because heartburn just came at 23 weeks and I'm feeling really hot right now with these lights. So thank you guys so much for watching. I love you, and I will see you in my next video. Bye guys.